Meta spent billions building their AI. Billions. And here is the kicker, it might already be obsolete. While Mark Zuckerberg promised to revolutionize everything from Instagram to WhatsApp with artificial intelligence, something went terribly wrong. And most people have no idea. Over 70% of businesses worldwide are expected to use at least one AI tool by the end of 2026. But Meta AI, it is falling behind fast. This is not just about competition. This is about fundamental flaws that could cost Meta its position in the AI race. 5 critical reasons. 5 massive problems. And billions of dollars on the line. Let me show you why one of the world's biggest tech companies is losing the AI war. Reason number 1. Outdated training data. And this is huge. Here is the thing, AI models have knowledge cutoffs. What does that mean? It means they stop learning at a specific date. Some versions of ChatGPT. September 2021 cutoff. Think about that. In fast-moving industries like technology, finance, and healthcare, information from 2021 might as well be ancient history. Meta AI faces the same problem. While the world moves at lightning speed, Meta's AI is stuck in the past. It cannot tell you about recent events, cannot analyze current market trends, cannot understand the latest business developments. And in 2026, that is a death sentence for AI relevance. Companies need real-time insights. Entrepreneurs need current data. Businesses need accurate, up-to-the-minute information. But here is where it gets interesting. Meta is not alone in this problem. But unlike OpenAI or Google, Meta does not have the infrastructure to constantly update and retrain their models efficiently. The lag creates a credibility crisis. Users ask questions. They get outdated answers. They lose trust. They switch to competitors. It is a vicious cycle. And Meta, they are trapped in it. But wait, it gets worse. Reason number 2 will shock you. No data advantage. None. And this might be the most devastating problem of all. Meta owns WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Billions of users. Trillions of data points. You would think they have a massive advantage in AI training, right? Wrong. Here is why. WhatsApp messages, encrypted. Meta cannot read them, cannot use them for AI training. That is billions of conversations, completely off limits. Facebook data. It has shockingly little value for AI training. Why? Because social media posts are not structured knowledge. They are opinions, memes, arguments, personal updates. Not the kind of high-quality, factual information that makes AI models smart. Nobody saw this coming. Meta built an empire on data collection. But when it came to AI, that data is almost worthless. Meanwhile, Google has the entire internet's search history. Amazon has purchasing behavior and product information. OpenAI partnered with publishers for quality content. And Meta, they are stuck with encrypted messages and social media noise. The irony is brutal. The company that revolutionized data collection cannot leverage its own data for the AI revolution. Can you believe that? This is the part that changes everything. Reason number 3. Strategic confusion. Meta made a shocking decision. They switched to open source AI models. On the surface, sounds smart. Open source means community collaboration, faster innovation, lower costs. But here is the problem: Meta cannot figure out how to monetize it. Zuckerberg announced they are giving away their AI technology, making it open source for everyone. Noble? Maybe. Profitable? Absolutely not. Internal documents show massive confusion about strategic direction. Is Meta building proprietary AI to compete with ChatGPT? Or are they supporting open source models for brand relevance? Nobody knows. Not even Meta employees. This creates a return on investment nightmare. Meta spent billions developing AI, billions more on infrastructure, billions on talent acquisition. And their monetization strategy? Unclear at best, non-existent at worst. Other companies charge for AI services, subscription models, API access fees, enterprise licensing. Meta? They are just hoping AI somehow improves their advertising business. Eventually. Maybe. That is not a strategy. That is a prayer. And then, in one single moment, investors started asking hard questions. Where is the ROI? How does this make money? When do we see returns? Meta had no good answers. Stock analysts raised concerns. Business publications questioned the direction. And competitors kept pulling ahead. But wait. There is more. Reason number 4 hits even harder. Privacy and ethical concerns. Massive ones. Meta AI is trained on human-created data from the internet. Sounds normal, right? But here is the thing: that data reflects biases, stereotypes, and misinformation. Meta's AI does not just process information. It amplifies problems. Their AI-driven targeting exacerbates political polarization. How? By feeding users specialized content aligned with their existing viewpoints. Not diverse perspectives. Not balanced information. Just echo chambers. Getting stronger. Getting louder. Getting more extreme. What they discovered next shocked the entire industry. Meta announced they are turning to AI to conduct risk assessments of new features and products, instead of human review. Let that sink in. An AI system, potentially flawed, potentially biased, making safety decisions about products used by billions of people. No human oversight. No ethical review boards. Just algorithms making judgment calls about user safety. Privacy advocates went ballistic. Regulators started investigating. Users began questioning whether Meta could be trusted with AI at all. And the controversy kept growing. Because unlike other AI companies that prioritized safety and transparency, Meta rushed to deploy AI across all platforms. Fast, aggressive, without adequate testing. The backlash was predictable. The damage? Still unfolding. But here is where it gets really interesting. Reason number 5. The final nail in the coffin. Practical implementation failures. Meta rolled out AI-driven advertising updates. The promise? Help businesses optimize campaigns, improve targeting, increase return on ad spend. Revolutionary technology for the advertising industry. The reality? A complete disaster. Over 70% of small businesses reported that Meta's AI updates hurt their ad performance. Not helped. Hurt. Ad accounts that were profitable for years suddenly stopped working. Costs increased. Conversions dropped. Businesses hemorrhaged money. And Meta's response? Basically told advertisers to trust the AI. Give it more time. Let the algorithm learn. But small businesses do not have infinite budgets. They cannot afford to lose money while Meta's AI figures things out. Hundreds of businesses pulled their advertising entirely. Switched to Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, anywhere but Meta. This revealed a fundamental problem. Meta's AI capabilities and user needs are completely misaligned. They built technology for technology's sake, not to solve actual business problems, not to deliver measurable value, just to say they have AI. The implementation failures proved what many suspected. Meta rushed into AI without fully understanding how to deploy it effectively, without adequate testing, without real-world validation. And now, they are paying the price. Customer trust eroded, business relationships damaged, competitive advantage lost. Nobody saw what happened next. Other companies learned from Meta's mistakes. They slowed down, focused on practical applications, prioritized user needs over flashy announcements, and they started winning. While Meta struggled with outdated data, lack of proprietary information, strategic confusion, ethical concerns, and implementation failures, competitors moved ahead. OpenAI refined ChatGPT with real user feedback. Google integrated AI seamlessly across products. Microsoft built AI into enterprise solutions. And Meta, still trying to figure out their basic strategy. The lesson here is brutal but clear. Having billions of dollars does not guarantee AI success. Having billions of users does not create automatic advantages. Technology alone is not enough. You need quality data, clear strategy, ethical frameworks, and most importantly, you need to deliver real value to real users. Meta failed on multiple fronts. And in the fast-moving AI industry, there might not be time to recover. The AI race is not over. But Meta is falling dangerously behind. 5 reasons. 5 fundamental problems. And the clock is ticking. Will Zuckerberg turn it around? Can Meta overcome these massive obstacles? Or will they become a cautionary tale about how not to approach artificial intelligence? Only time will tell. But right now, the evidence is not encouraging. Meta AI might have billions in funding, but it is already outdated, already behind, already struggling. And in the world of technology, outdated means obsolete. Fast? If you want to know which AI company is actually winning the race and why their strategy is completely different, watch our next video. And subscribe so you never miss a billion-dollar story. Because in business, the difference between success and failure often comes down to understanding what is really happening behind the headlines. And we show you exactly that.